Hello, my name is Wayne, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel, which is called Success with Wayne. My goal with this channel is to provide you with useful information for personal and business. This all got started because I was searching for ways to improve my credit for both personal and business, and for ways to make some extra money. A little background on me: I've worked all my life in the corporate world for 33 years and ran my own business part of those 33 years at the same time. I always believed in having something to fall back on and not depending on one source of income. In 2009, I decided to take an early retirement from my corporate job and focus all my attention on my business that I started in 2002. I was also lucky enough to be offered another source of income by doing something I had always dreamed of. My dream job lasted for 10 years, and then I was informed I would no longer be able to continue that. And on top of that, COVID-19 hit, which we're all still experiencing today. Well, I was having to adjust to a new normal, and in the beginning I was searching YouTube videos trying to keep up with the latest on any kind of stimulus relief from this disaster. Then I decided this was not getting me anywhere, so I started searching the internet for new ways to make money and find something that I would have an interest in. I ran across one that has led me to start this YouTube channel. Something I had no idea I would ever do. But it's been fun and has given me something to do, and it's a source of some extra income, with the potential of lots of extra income. And the best part is this: I got started for very little money, and they have a Facebook group of lots of others from all over the world that are supporting each other, which I really like. I personally believe we're put on this earth to support and help each other, not to hate and put each other down. Just imagine how much better a world we would all live in if we all started doing that. So, this YouTube channel was created to promote ways to help earn extra income, ways to improve personal credit, and ways to improve business credit, ways to help get to a point where, God forbid, the next crisis hits, you and me will be prepared to handle it financially, ways to help you and me become debt-free. Imagine how good of a feeling that would be to be debt-free. I hope you enjoy and get some benefit from this and present and future videos I will be creating. And if you have any suggestions on anything you would like for me to research while I have time, LOL, please feel free to leave me a comment below. If you like this channel, please hit the like button below. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell to be notified of any future videos I create. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to see what inspired me to create this channel and how you can make some extra money, and potentially lots of money, with very little to get started, and I do mean very little, as little as $7 per month, then go to the link that you see listed here. I also put this link in the notes below as well. Thank you very much, and God bless.